Hey Roger Bell families, welcome back to school. We're so excited for the upcoming school year, even though we know it's going to look a little bit different than we have in the past. We were very upset we're not going to get to see you in real life yet, but we're super excited we'll get to see you virtually soon. Can't wait to meet you all.
We miss having you in our building, but are so excited we will see you virtually soon.
During virtual instruction, all RBA students will begin their day with family time on Zoom at 8:30 a.m. This is a great time for students to virtually visit with their friends and teacher, as well as receive important information. So don't forget to log into Zoom every day at 8:30 a.m., except Wednesdays.
Virtual orientation is Thursday, August 13th from 4 to 7 p.m. During this time, teachers will share classroom schedules and answer any questions you may have. Remember that orientation will be 30-minute sessions beginning at 4 p.m. Sessions are at 4, 4:30, 5, 5:30, 6, and 6:30. Zoom links will be shared on social media, the Roger Bell website, and via telephone by your child's teacher.
If you log into the Zoom virtual orientation early, you will remain in the waiting room until the next session begins. We are so excited to see you during virtual orientation on Thursday, August 13th from 4 to 7.
We understand that internet connectivity is an issue for some families. All students will have access to the educational materials they need to maximize their learning during virtual instruction.
The first day of school will be August 17th. We are super excited to see all of our Lightning learners on Zoom at 8:30 a.m.
And remember the Roger Bell motto, we believe we can, so we will, because we are Lightning.